Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this question, we have an airplane dropping bales of hay to cattle stranded in a blizzard. Okay, so this is the planes. Okay, and then there's a plane, so that the cattle is here. Okay, so cattle, and then we have a plane. Okay, it is flying at an angle 55 degrees above the horizontal with a initial speed of 75 meters per second. Okay, 75 meters per second, and then the plane is at a height of 150 meters. Okay, so how far? So we need to calculate the distance, the plane from the cattle, in order for the bales of hay to reach the cattle. Okay, when the plane release them. Okay, so this is a projectile motion. All right, so we can see that this is the trajectory of the hay. Okay, so the first thing we need to do would be to find the time for the hay to reach the cattle. Okay, be using the equation delta y equals to v naught y t plus half at square. Okay, I'm going to take downward to be positive. Okay, so v naught y will be negative 75 sine 55 degrees, and then delta y will be 150 meters, and a is G equals to 9.80 meters per second square. We are going to solve for t. Okay, so okay, by putting in the numbers, we have 150 equals to minus 75 sine 55 degrees plus half 4.9, or there's a t here, then t squared. Okay, so 9.8. Okay, then when you calculate them, you have 4.9 t squared minus 61.4 t minus 150 equals to 0, and you use the quadratic formula. Okay, 61.4 plus minus 61.4 squared plus 4 times 4.9 times 150, and then take the square root and divide by 2 times 4.9. Okay, and you get two answers for t. Okay, one of them is 14.6 seconds or negative 2.09 seconds. So obviously time cannot be negative. So for the time is 14.6 seconds. Okay, then the delta x is the v naught x times t, which is v naught cosine theta times t. Okay, so 75 cosine 55 degrees multiplied by 14.6 seconds, and you get 630 meters. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. Okay, and that's all.